Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, this beautiful day. Well, we're back at it. So we're making this map editor, and I got this far as to fix this issue with the texture selector. So I can select any texture, and I can it won't draw outside of the bounds of the map. So I can draw whatever I want. Just go ahead and do that, and I can delete everything with the right click. And we won't have any crashes for now, at least. So what I want to do now is, before I create a background for stage, let me just do this. Since we're going to be working with stage, our background is going to be an array of two. I think it's going to be an array of two kind of identical or like an array. Actually, I could make it an array of several pictures, and I can choose how many I want, and they'll just cycle through as you move along, and it'll be kind of a cool little background thing. That's pretty sweet. I'll do that, and then we'll have some effects, like, you know, clouds and stuff. Like, not clouds, but well, yeah, particle clouds just roaming around and stuff like that. So I want to do that. And we're gonna do a bunch of those visual polish things. Now let me just see if the game still works before we keep working on this. One of the first things I'm gonna do is I'm going to make sure that we can save and load a map. Yeah, the game is working fine. Everything's fine. Save and load a map, a stage, and we'll be able to load that into the game. Now, I think stage is gonna have that, so let's just prepare for that. Void save stage, void load stage. I'm just gonna prepare for this. Save stage std string file name. And the same thing for this, so we'll have a file name for both. Go into stage. Make sure we can save and load stuff, because it's going to be one of the most important things for stage, obviously, since we don't want to hard code any stages. We want to create them in the map editor, and then we want to load them into the game. So yeah. So I'll be able to save the stage. That's cool. That's cool. I can make it as big as I want, as small as I want. I can do whatever I want. Actually, one of the first things I want to do is I want to recreate it. I actually want to do this. Stage size, because we have a game map maker. Texture X. Where's the stage? Stage. Okay. Unsigned long stage size X. Unsigned long stage size Y. So I want to just when I want to create a new map. Well, how are we gonna tackle this? Let's make a new function, actually. Then I don't have to do all that stuff. Update, initialize, update, draw UI. This is drawing, updating, initializing. That's fine. I want to keep my functions here. Void new map. Then we'll have a string. We'll actually just should we have that in stage? should we have that in here? Because the stage doesn't really care about its own name. It's just from the outside. The file name, that's important. So string stage name in the constructor for initialize map. Initialize map. This stage name equals empty. And then let's go down to what we were doing. We made a new map function. It's going to be above all the init and everything. I think it's going to be right here. So void game map maker new map, and then we will do a sin std cout new map new line std cout map size x sin. Then we'll make them appear unsigned long map size x unsigned long map size y. Well, I don't need long actually, it's unnecessary. Equals 0 sin map size x std sin map size x. Then we'll do sin dot ignore 100n std sin dot ignore map size y. There we go. Then we'll do this. Delete this stage. This stage equals new stage map size x map size y. Std cout map name std get line this map stage name, just like that. Oh wait, there we go. So now we can make a new map every time we press that button. So let me go into controls and then do if tab. That's fine. Left is to add tiles. Tiles switch window slash view UI. This is gonna be new map. If this, wait, let me just copy this. Key time max. And what happened to my key time max? I mean, it's kind of weird. Let me do that at 2. Let me put that to 10 again. And then, so the key is going to be new map n. So this new map, and that's all there is to it. This key time equals 0. And that should be it. That should be it. Let's see. So if I make a bunch of stuff, whoops, main, true, that's good. So I'll make a bunch of stuff and I'll press new, and then it broke. No, it didn't, because I have to go in here. I have to say lil, let's say 1000, and then we have a 1000 map. 1000 is a whole lot, I think. Let me see where we end. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while. But the beauty of this system is that we're only using. Oh wow, this could be a really big map, just like as big as I want it to be. That's freaking awesome. Wow, that's like unlimited. 1000. So I can have 1000 blocks. That's a whole lot. And still, I'll be going up and down and all that stuff. So yeah, is that buggy? Nope. How far is this, dude? Holy shit! I thought I was just gonna. Okay, I'm not gonna fill the video with this, but as you can see, it's gonna go really far, really far. I'm actually holding down Shift to see if I can go faster. Actually, I wanna do that. That's a feature I want in my map maker. The video getting long, so at least we had that done. Toggle full screen, new map. Where is it? Controls. Update controls is one thing. Tiles is good. Update view. Where's update view? Update view. Let me just do this. Update view. So if this keyboard, no, I always do that. I always do this exact same thing, and I say the exact same thing. I'm like, if this keyboard, no, always do that stuff. Okay, shift, left shift, then we're gonna go real fast. Else, wait, let's do a float speed equals 10.f. Else okay, float speed equals 0. Speed equals 30.f. Else speed equals 10.f. And then we're just gonna do minus speed. Okay, boom, bam. Now we can just move around as we wish. Let me just draw something. Yeah, 30 is a little, I mean, not too much, but if I want to move around really fast, I could put it to like 50. I'll put it like 50, man, and then do that 20. That's good, and it's not too slow. Yep, that's pretty fast. So I can move around. If we have a big map, you can move around really quickly and just do stuff. But that's great. That's good. That's good. And I set up the save and the load function, so we'll just fill those out later. I have this done. Now the other question is the background. So to set that up as well, this is gonna have a D array of background. D array, let's say sprite background. It's gonna cycle through those. We'll need a function called void update background. We'll have a const float dt because we're gonna have to move it. dt. We'll have a point it's gonna be related to. So vector 2f just say position. So it's going to be dependent on that position. No, what am I doing? Float dt multiplier. And then we go into stage. We need to do this dt multiplier equals 62.f 5.f, and then we have a update, void stage update background mouse float dt vector 2f pos. That's about what I'm gonna have to do. And we'll have a for loop in here that goes to backgrounds dot size. So we'll have a bunch of backgrounds in here. I will choose through here. When you load a stage, you'll get all the backgrounds. You'll have all the background files. They'll be set in order, so you'll load them in, and it's going to be put up in here. So here there will be load backgrounds, load tiles, how's it going to be load map size. Okay, so the map size is going to be loaded. Then we're going to load in the backgrounds and tiles. Set tile array size. So I'm sure we can do something with tiles dot remove push size. Okay, so that's good. Then later we're gonna have to, because when we create this, we push all the stuff. We push all the stuff and we make it as big as we want it to be. We have to zero this completely and then do the same thing again. Tiles stage size X. Yeah, so you create it with that. Okay, so we're gonna have to let me just put that up here. So we have to kind of make a new function in here later, which is gonna be called resize, and we'll be able to remove everything and just resize it to we'll have resize and then resize clear, I think. Let me just make that resize clear. So now we have a kind of an idea of what we're going to be working with in the next coming videos. But for now, I think I'm good. I think we're good. And everything seems to be working. We'll update the background. Everything will be fine. And we'll have a cool looking background effect. And then we'll have some kind of particle effects in the background as well. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys and girls. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you in the next one, right? Bye-bye.